is going to explain what is meant by identity and what are all the applications of design thinking and why we are applying that. Everything is going to explain by Vishnu. Please carry on.
Today we are going to see this problem in DT based. So let me explain what are the 5 stages. They are empathy, define, ideate, test and prototype. Our students will explain what are that.
Myself Saravana Kumar. I am going to explain about empathy and define. Empathy. In the initial stage, you are deeply understand that the users need motivation and challenges through closer interviews and research. The goal is to gain genuine insight into the perspective and experience. Define. Based on the information gathered in the empathy phase, you define the core problem you are trying to solve. The involves
Myself Adi. Ideate. This is the brainstorming stage where you generate a wide range of potential solutions to the defined problem. The focus is on thinking creatively and exploring diverse possibilities, even though that seem unconventional.
Myself Sean Richard. I'm going to be explaining prototype. In this stage, you create tangible, low-fidelity versions of your solutions such as wireframes or models to visualize and explore your ideas. Prototyping makes abstract concepts concrete and allows for testing.
So my name is Mithun Chakravarti. So I'm going to explain test. So you then test your prototypes with users to gather feedback on their usefulness, usability and durability. This feedback is crucial to refining your solutions and identifying areas for improvement, often leading to iteration back to early stages.
So students explain what is DT. So I am going to explain this question. Thermometer reading is 80 degree Fahrenheit is taken outside. 5 minutes later, the thermometer reads 60 degree Fahrenheit. Another 5 minutes, the thermometer reads 50 degree Fahrenheit. At any time, the thermometer reading will be 70 degree Fahrenheit, and outside temperature will be 5 degree Fahrenheit. Based on the above information, answer the questions. The key points are the 80 degree Fahrenheit, the 5 minutes later the thermometer outside. Let me explain the questions for answer. If the lambda is position, if the lambda is positive constant of proportionality, then dt by dt is the answer will be minus lambda into t minus s. The value of t into 5 will be 60 degree. The value of t into 10 will be 60 degree.
Hope you all understand what is meant by a DT and what are all the stages involved in DT. So design thinking is nothing but it consists of 5 stages. Hope the 5 students explained about empathy, define, ideate, prototype and test. So in mathematics subject we are not able to going for the test concept, only up to prototype we can explain. So clearly Vishnu explained this concept in this problem. Let me again explain to you. So here the question is a thermometer reading 80 degree Fahrenheit is taken outside. 5 minutes later the thermometer reads 60 degree Fahrenheit and another 5 minutes the thermometer reads 50 degree Fahrenheit. At any time the thermometer readings be 7 degree Fahrenheit and outside the temperature it is S degree. So this is T degree Fahrenheit and this is S degree Fahrenheit. So based on the above information, we are going to solve these 4 questions. So the first question is, if lambda is a positive constant of proportionality, you have to find the value of dt by dt. So capital T is nothing but it represents the thermometer and small t represents the time. So dt by dt is given by the formula minus lambda times t minus s. Here t represents the thermometer. And how do we find the value of T of 5? So T of 5 is nothing but thermometer at 5 minutes. So here the question itself it is given thermometer at 5 minutes it is nothing but 60 degree Fahrenheit. So our answer is T of 5 is equal to 60 degree Fahrenheit. Similarly, when you find the value of T of 10, that is thermometer value after 10 minutes. So it is given by another 5 minutes, it is 5 minutes, again 5 minutes, so totally 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the thermometer So that is our third question. And the last question is the general solution of the differential equation. So this is the first order ordinary differential equation, and it is represented by dt is equal to minus lambda times capital T minus S. So this is the solution for this problem. Hope you all understand this dt based lecture.